Hi guys, welcome back to Grange Vlogs. Today I'm going to be making some carrot punch but with a twist. Alright, so join me. So after I've chopped up my carrots, I gave them a little wash and I'm going to boil them for about 45 minutes to an hour until they're quite tender. So here is my sea moss, or Irish moss as we call it in Jamaica, and what I've done, I'll give it a good wash and I've soaked it overnight in cold water, and I've picked out all the any debris or anything that shouldn't be in there, and I'm gonna cook it here along with my carrots together until the carrots are soft and tender. You don't necessarily have to cook the sea moss or slash Irish moss, but I decided to cook it along so that you could take away some of that sea smell. Then I allowed it to cool because you don't want to be blending it while in your blender while it's too hot. Once cool, I'm just going to blend it off. You don't need to strain it because everything is going to be blended and in together. I use a bit too much Irish moss, but that's how I like it. You can add less because I'm telling you, next day it's going to be like you eating mousse because it's going to come together. It's going to be so thick you might have to just dilute it down with some ice or add some more milk or water, whatever you want to add to it.
Invincible.
Quarter teaspoonful. Nutmeg. So as you can see, it's a little bit bitsy from the nutmeg and the spices. So I just use my whisk to just whisk that down, or you can use your hand blender, whatever you want to use to get all the spices well mixed in. I just add it to some ice, and that's it. You have your punch right there. You know, so this is a punch that you can make if your body is feeling a little bit run down. You know, you've been working hard, you're not been having enough rest, so you feel like you're coming down with a cold or a flu or whatever. You know, your Irish mash, it's got over 92 of the elements and minerals that your body need. I'm gonna put my Irish mash video that I made previously to show you all the nutrients that are attached to Irish mash. It's not no normal mash, is no normal weed. It's amazing. It's got all the benefits that you need, but obviously everything in moderation. So I'm just gonna, as I said before, the video that I made previously with my Irish mash, so you can see all the precautions that you need to take when you're drinking Irish mash. So let me know if you've ever tried anything like this before. What do you normally drink when you're feeling that you know, you feel like your body needs that little extra kick, that little extra punch to keep you going, to do what you have to do. Let me know if you tried the recipe, if you like it, what you will add or take away from it. And as always, look after yourself and each other. Blessings to you and your family, and catch you in another video. God bless. Bye bye.